night, dropping parodies so bold, mocking wicked hearts with rhymes. His story yet untold, is he man or machine? An angel sent to fight. The whispers lead to Jerusalem, where truth comes into light. Oh, who's behind the N.I.F.B's new sound? A sin so barred where secrets are found. In the city of David, his legend will unfurl. Melchizedek's the name, and he's shaking up the world. Temple Zero, where the ancient stones align, he codes his holy anthems with the synthesizer shine. But there's a hitch in Zion, no cheeseburgers to eat. Kosher laws forbid the mix of dairy and meat. Oh, Melchizedek with your N.I.F.B fire, crafting beats to lift the faithful higher. No local burgers sate your righteous appetite. So Tempe's in and out must fuel your holy fight. From Arizona's grills, his double soar, flown straight from Tempe, where the N.I.F.B's hardcore. Each bite's a sacred rite, with pickles, cheese, and bun, powering his parodies till the wicked come undone. With your N.I.F.B fire, crafting beats to lift the faithful higher. No local burgers sate your righteous appetite, so Tempe's in and out must fuel your holy fight. But danger looms in shadows, a city lost they play, a film that points to Temple Zero, giving truth away. If folks find his hideout, he'll be forced to pack and roam, hauling Simpson cables from his sacred studio home. Melchizedek with your N.I.F.B fire, crafting beats to lift the faithful higher. No local burgers sate your righteous appetite, so Tempe's in and out must fuel your holy fight. From the city of David to the California sun, Melchizedek's the hero, and his sins will never run. With cheeseburgers and courage, he's the bard behind the craze. The N.I.F.B's own maestro sent parodies ablaze.